It's the end of the year, and that means lists. Lists of the best things you've had, to favorite things, and even lists of things that you need to stop drinking for 2024. And that last one, well, that's one that I hate passionately. Drink whatever you want. I say, I tell you differently because those are the worst people possible. But for today's list, instead of offering you my favorite rums of 2023, I wanted to share with you the most used rums of 2023. That's the rums that showed up the most frequently on the Make and Drink channel in 2023 out of 127 pours and 50 different rums that made their way into cocktails this year. And when I started putting this list together, I really didn't know. So before I began, I wrote down my predictions for what I thought would be the most used and most common. And if you want to play along, you can pause it right now and guess yours. Now here are my guesses, and I didn't put these in any particular order. Appleton Estate 12, Appleton Estate Signature, Hamilton 86, Smith & Cross, and Coruba. And for full transparency, I have never been sent or gifted a bottle of anything. Everything that you see behind me or that appears here is something that I've paid for. So I scrubbed through every video featuring rum in 2023, and I quickly realized I forgot a popular one in my prediction. So let's start with that one. Coming in at number 5, it's Bacardi 8. Featured here 7 times, this is apparently my go-to gold rum. Now here on the channel, I don't always reach for my favorites. I might choose something based on the actual recipe's specifications, or I might use something I haven't used in a while, but often it's about availability and price. Bacardi 8 is $24.49 and always available to me. It's also just great in cocktails. Now coming in at number 4, and also used 7 times, this one was talked about a lot more, which is why I put it higher than Bacardi, and that's Appleton 12. Now if Campari didn't jack up the prices from $35 to $50 over the summer, this might be a little bit higher because I've started conserving it and using it less. Even at $50, it's still a staple and something that will always be on the bar for me. Now moving on to the third most used rum in 2023, it's Hamilton 86, and it shows up 8 times. It's a workhorse, it's a cocktail flavor enhancer, and another one that will always be on the bar. 86 and Appleton 12 are 2 rums I always have a reserve bottle of on hand. Prices on it range anywhere from $22 to $30 depending on where you live, but no matter the price, it is worth every penny. Now the second most used rum being poured into cocktails 9 times in 2023 is Smith & Cross. I don't particularly have a huge love affair with Smith & Cross, but so many people do, and that's why it shows up so much. There are so many recipes that specifically call for it. It's another staple if you are making rum cocktails frequently. You really do need a bottle of Smith & Cross on hand. Now the number 1 most used bottle in 2023, which I'm a little bit surprised about because of how high it ended up, being featured 11 times, is Coruba. For the first half of this year, it was not available, but at $20 to $25 for a liter, it's a must-have for me. It's also the biggest contradiction in the rum world as well. Heavily colored, and really, who knows what else is going on in this bottle. They have no website, they have no Instagram, and out of all of the rums here today, it's the darkest and the least aged. This is aged less than most of the white rums behind me, and just look at the color here. It resembles a deep, dark motor oil. But somehow, it's been grandfathered in and beloved by so many of us today. So there you have it, the 5 most popular rums on the Make and Drink channel in 2023. What will the most popular ones be in 2024? I don't know, but make your predictions below, and I'll check your work at the end of next year. See you on the next one.